Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. If you're new here, welcome. I've been lashing for about 5 years now. I am a licensed cosmetologist, but I only specialize in lash extensions. So my whole YouTube channel is all about lashes, lifestyle, things like that. If you're interested in knowing more about me, I do have some videos linked down below, and I also have a video about how my lash journey has been, so you guys can check that out. Once I started lashing, I am currently in my studio where I lash alone. I found some amazing products that help my lashing day just go by smoother. This is a luxurious service if you're in the lash industry or if you're a client. This is definitely a luxury service that not everyone affords and not everyone upkeeps lash extensions. So when I started lashing by myself, I know I wanted to make my room very cute, very aesthetic, and bring the best of the best to my clients. But with that being said, I do have some items from Amazon that I purchased that are not that expensive, but just make my lashing days, like I said, go by super duper more smoothly. And I also have my storefront, so if you guys want to go check out my Amazon storefront, it is linked down below for you, where I have everything that I buy from Amazon, like mascara wands, things like that, so you guys could go check it out. The first item I want to share with you guys is, let's do this one. So these are shoe covers. I have them in this like little basket, and what I do is I have my kids come in here, and this comes in a big roll of like all of them just wrapped around, but my kids come in here and they help me. They go in and they pick out two, and then they roll them up in a pair and then just stick them in here, so it could kind of look cuter whenever my clients come in here and they don't want to take their shoes off, because I do lash on a recliner, and some clients I feel like don't want to take their shoes off. So as a luxury service provider, I want to be able to have something for those girls. When I just started lashing, I wouldn't require my clients to take their shoes off, and when I thought about it, I was like, you know what, it just feels more comfortable. Our services are longer periods of time. You want them to relax, and when I get home, first thing that comes off are my shoes, and I put on some comfy slippers or comfy socks. So I wanted my clients to have that experience, and I was talking to my husband about it, and he said, yeah, but there's some people that don't want to take their shoes off. And I said, that's right, I don't want to require them to take their shoes off without having something for the girls or the guys that don't want to take their shoes off. So these are a definitely must to have in your studio if you are requiring your clients to take their shoes off. There's going to be some people that don't want to, there's going to be some people that feel uncomfortable, so don't make them, and it's just more hygienic for them to have these and not have like your recliner or your lash bed all dirty if the clients don't want to take their shoes off. So like I said, these are a must in the studio, and I just put them in a little basket like this. This item right here is for us as the lash artist. During a long lashing day, this is gonna save your butt, okay? I have a YouTube video all about like the stretches I do sitting down. So I go back and forth like this, I go like this. Every like 30 minutes or so, when I drop a new drop of adhesive, I'll get up, do some squats, walk in a little circle, anything like that to like help move my body, because we're just sitting down like this. As lash artists, all we do is sit down and look like a little crab with our little tweezers, isolating and doing micro movements. So you want to make sure you're preserving the health of your hands, because we need our hands to lash. If you want to prolong your lashing career, make sure you're drinking water as well throughout the long lashing days, and giving yourself a little hand massage with this acupressure bracelet. It's a must. Sometimes people say like, after a long day of lashing, my hands are numb, I feel tingling and this and this and that, and I'm really scared about that. So this has definitely helped my career as a lash artist. I've never really felt that pain, thank God. I did feel like back pain, and that's because I was not walking around. So now I am doing like little walk movements. My watch like notifies me if I haven't stood up within that hour, so I just stand up really quickly. Again, do little circle walks like a little dog over there, and then like squats or something, and do this on my hands just to prolong my lashing career. After every service, you want to make sure you're giving your guest the mascara wand you used during their service. These items are disposable items, one-time use. You can't sanitize these and use them all day. So I purchased these on Amazon. They're really cute. They have like little glitter on the handle. But what I want to share with you guys is this amazing little nifty thing that I learned. So these are paper straws. They're just long like this. And what I did, that one flew away. Going to go in the trash. Make sure anything that falls on the trash, you're throwing it away as well, okay? So these are paper straws, like I said, and during, you know, the pandemic and when we were staying at home, me and my husband cut all of the paper straws and just put them in a little Ziploc baggie like this, so it could be easier for me. Instead of doing them every Saturday, I just like did all of them. So when you're done at the end of the service, what you do is you just cover the mascara wand and you give it to your guests, and look how cute that is. They just feel, again, like they're getting a luxury service. You're thinking about them. When I'm cutting these, I'm just so thankful for my clients that keep coming back to me. I'm just like, I want to do the best I can to continuously upgrade the service, you get me? So something like this is a cute little upgrade, and they have lots of different paper straws. You can get them at Party City as well, I believe. I've seen them there, but they could fit anyone's aesthetic. Of course, mine have to be pink and white because that's my favorite colors. This is the cutest and most functional tissue box ever. Of course, it doesn't come with the actual tissues. You purchase them by themselves, but this has a little place up here. It's not like the traditional tissue box where it goes like this. You can do it like that, but that is weird. You put it to the side like this and you get your tissues like so. And I put up here like my AirPods, my mister, my glam core light, and it's just super functional for my SMAs. Of course, you just grab one, place it down, and put your freshly cleaned tweezers, your mascara wand, you know, the paper straw cover, adhesive rings, anything you're gonna use, and then when you're done, toss it in the trash and get a new one. Or if your client needs a tissue, you need a tissue for anything, it's a must-have tissues in your studio, I feel like. And this tissue box is so functional and amazing in my opinion. They also have a lot of different colors to fit your aesthetic, but black I just thought was cute because there was pink, but I was like, okay, Jessica, not everything has to be pink. You could have just a couple pink little, you know, pops of color. And I got the black one because it's just so chic and classic. I want to recommend this book to you guys. It's called Profit First by Mike. It says transform your business from a cash-eating monster to a money-making machine. Cha-ching. Yes, please sign me up. I got this book recommended to me by Jasmine from Chic Sin City at LashCon. When I read it, it was an easy read, very, very informative. I'm a lash artist, artist loving her craft. I went to school to be a cosmetologist. I didn't go to business school. If you went to business school and you're a lash artist, sister, leave us some business tips down below. But I am kind of business street savvy, not really business, paper, IRS, tax type of savviness, okay? So this book was very informative, and remember, babes, knowledge is king. If you're a loyal subscriber, you know that I am doing a giveaway for hitting 5,000 subscribers. One lucky winner will be winning a lot of amazing lash goodies, but one of the items she will be receiving is a 3-month subscription to the Dear Lash Love t-shirt subscription service. That's why I'm recommending you guys to go listen to Lorena, the owner of Dear Lash Love, and Casey Boone, the owner of Glow Skincare LA. They both do a podcast every Tuesday that's called BeautyBizBffs. If you're in the beauty industry, it doesn't matter if you're doing lashes, if you're an esthetician, anything like that, their podcast is all about the beauty industry, so that's a good listen. Guys, I need you guys to give me some recommendations down below. I have a lot to still recommend you guys, but I am running out of episodes to listen to, and I need some good recommendations. So let me know down below what's your favorite audiobook or even podcast so I can start listening to it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share this video with a lash friend. Let's share the lash love. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs down if you didn't, just so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe. If you click my face here, you're subscribed to the channel, and don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. Love you. Bye.